Hey guys, so I was just walking around in my nearby arcade in the coin game, and then I remembered something that happened earlier today, and I'm gonna hunt that thing down. Let me show you. Pause the picture right there, and you'll see the culprit was a big truck. So, I'm going on the hunt in this skit. Oh, looks like I found the culprit already. Get back here. Oh, turn it. Get back here. You're a bad guy. Ah! It happened again. He's sending his buddies after me. They're not gonna get rid of me that easy. Do you think you're gonna get rid of me that easy? Because I think you succeeded. Oh, you're so lucky. Whoa. I'm not letting this guy get away with this. Head-on collision! Oh! That wasn't bad, actually. It wasn't that bad. A building. Maybe that's where he could be hiding out. Okay, let's get out. Stop! Stop the car! Out. I think some shady things are going on over here. I gotta search in your trash can for any goodies. Well, I'll leave the box so I can get out, but that's what you get. You don't hit me and get away with it. I think I might be stuck. Oh no. I'm not living the rest of my life in a dumpster. Hey, what, you mad? You know what? I'm punishing you. You now live in the dumpster. I'll go find you some friends. Stop. Huh? UFO. Huh? Guess I might as well enter it, have a little fun. Oh my god, it's like Barry's Arcade all over again. I'm stopping this shady business. Stop it! Fine, you guys want me to race? Okay, I'll race. You've convinced me to race now. I'm going to get some tickets. I'm racing. Hey. Stop! Ah! battery, right? Maybe that's right. I don't know. I quit! Stupid anyway. Oh yeah, I want to play laser tag. I get to play laser tag? Oh my god. Let's go follow blue team. God, you suck, man. God, you suck. Ah, let me go recharge. Okay, I've recharged. Ah. Haha. Out of bullets. I gotta go get more bullets. I just started! Dead. My ammo, run! Reloading. I know they said don't climb, but who actually follows those rules? I mean, why would they have a staircase that looks specifically designed for me to climb if they don't want me to climb? Gotcha.
Game over.
So did my team win? I think so, because I earned some points. Yay, I'm a winner! Yay! Yay, I love being a winner. Oh. Well, looks like I've gained ghostly powers. How do I escape? Try this way. Excuse me. Okay, freedom! Excuse me, everyone. Whee! Oh my god, they even have normal games too. This place is whack-a-mole!
Ready? Whack. Miss me. Miss me. Miss me. Miss. Nada.
You don't.
Wait. Miss.
I hate this.
Miss me.
Let me go! Ah!
Miss me.
I give up! Ah!
Miss me.
I do not deserve. I don't want to play again.
Nope. Miss. Nope. Miss. Miss me. Nada. Nope. Miss me. Nope. Nada. No way. Miss me.
Okay, now can I leave? I don't want to be here anymore. I wonder, do these tickets here count towards the tickets at Barry's? I can't tell when I'm looking at this game. Is it a rhythm game or? I think a rhythm game would be pretty cool. I probably don't have a rhythm game because I'd be too good at it. I want a cow plushie. I want a cow plushie. Okay, come on. If you don't give me that, that's done. Yay! I got a cow plushie. I want another one. I want another one for me. Also. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna get anything. Oh hey, I got a bite. This is way easier to win than real life. How many points is a cow worth? Oh, it's just a cow plushie to like sell or something. Yeah, I sort of spent all my tickets at the other place. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I guess we'll have to end it here. Looks like I didn't find that guy. I don't like him.